In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from LinkedIn quickly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to back up your connections, messages, or posts, having a copy of your LinkedIn data is a smart way to manage your digital footprint. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in option. Here you have two choices. You can either sign in with your Google account or enter your email address and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend for security reasons, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your login. This usually involves sending a verification code to your phone. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken straight to your LinkedIn profile. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This step accesses the controls and settings you need to start the data export process. Now, you'll be directed to a new page. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Data Privacy section and click on it. This section is crucial because it houses all the settings concerning how LinkedIn manages and interacts with your data. Under Data Privacy, locate the How LinkedIn Uses Your Data section. This area is essentially your portal for managing your data preferences. Within this section, you'll find the option to get a copy of your data. Click on it. You're now at the stage where you have options. You can choose to download all of your LinkedIn data, or you can specify exactly what you would like to download. Perhaps you're only interested in your connections, messages, or posts. Whatever your preference, this is where you make that decision. Once you've made your selections, click on Request Archive. After this, all you need to do is wait. LinkedIn will send an email to your registered email address with a link to download your requested data. It doesn't take long, but make sure to keep an eye on your inbox. When the email arrives, simply click on the Download Archive link, and your data will start downloading to your computer. Depending on what you've decided to download, you might receive a zip file containing various types of files such as CSVs for your connections. Finally, extract the files from the zip folder. For the CSV file, you might want to use software like Excel or Google Sheets to view and manage your data conveniently. And there it is, you've successfully exported your data from LinkedIn. This simple process ensures that you have a personal backup of your professional network and activities, all securely stored at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tips.